Hello, everybody. Welcome. My name is Phil. I'm actually the founder of One WON. Okay. So I just wanted to go ahead and give you my little pitch on what's going on here. So I totally built this application on accident. I didn't realize its full capabilities, and yeah, I decided one day to actually create export function, and I've been exporting models since. Keep in mind, I don't know nothing about 3D models. The system's a parametric system, okay? The word para comes from the word parallel. All right, so it's kind of like a parallel system, but at the same time, it's an all around system. It mirrors, it inverts, it folds onto each other, it extends. It all depends on how much I set these parameters over here to the left hand side, okay? Um, a lot of these shapes, I have all kinds of shapes. I didn't even know they were valuable. I guess it wasn't until recently that I figured out that I created a program where I'm able to see 4D projects in 3D space. Okay, because we can't go to 4D space. I've tried. From what I've learned, things just start falling apart. They start disappearing, and it's just not meant to be. So what we do is bring them to our level. Um, So I'm starting this whole series off with the Klein bottle. Okay. In this video, you can see me actually going through all the parameters, which ain't even much. It's about, I want to say, six, seven parameters, um, applying changes in the value and pretty much changing the shape. I got the parameters set pretty high, so they go through a full cycle and then some. With harder shapes like this, you really don't see the tessellation within it. That's only like you're gonna see that a lot when I'm messing with spheres, if I ever do, for these videos. What I'm focusing on these videos right now is these 40 elements that are definitely gonna help out science and help, the way we think about the universe. The main reason why I got into this was, man, human conveniences, approximations, egos, victors of war, stealing history, stealing knowledge. Okay, we're at a point now where as long as it's convenient, we don't ask questions. I think it's causing underlying issues. So I got all into this. I came to terms that possibly, mm, you know, math functions the same way as it does in the universe, and it's all based on symmetry. It's all based on order. Order is the thing I'm looking for. And yeah, I did some digging. Little help of AI. I was able to get some help, and then yeah, 3 months of learning. I got into this. I built all kinds of apps, which you could see on my YouTube. All kinds of apps. I still probably got like 75 more. I haven't had really time to go through them because I've been focusing on getting this out there for people to see. Um, Tried writing people, no luck. So you know what? I'm doing my first video. All right. So like I said, I'm just going through these options. I'm going through every Klein bottle that I can find. Okay, on this one right here. Most importantly, I'm looking for fine details. So you're gonna see me go through, and yeah, I'm gonna be checking out vertices and all that stuff. Like I said, I don't know much about this, but I got this program that runs these super low polys. Then I got these trees. They're called Pythagorean trees or Pythagorean. I can't even say the word. They go up into the millions. So yeah, I'm learning as I go. Um, when it comes to this shading, I don't know how this stuff works. I put green because green is growth, and this whole process, I'm hoping that I get a lot out of it. Anybody watching that's involved in the 3D world and all this, please reach out. Let me know what you can do. Maybe even throw me a bone. Um, as of right now, I'm just being tired of waiting for people to answer me and ask for help. So I'm posting this now. I'm going to be listing these shapes, the ones I'm like. I'm just not picking any shapes. If they look like shit, if they're unbalanced, I'm not putting them up. Stuff like this, I plan on putting up and selling. I got all kinds of shapes. And yeah, just because it doesn't glow or look like plasma doesn't mean it's not worth nothing. These things have the bones, the architecture needed for all these fine systems that we have in place. Okay. Man, we're so close, but we're off too. And I'm hoping my engine will help solve all the issues with medical equipment, curing cancer, fixing all the issues, cars not lasting more than goddamn 10 years.